The course is designed in such a way that the user can start things from very scratch without any prior knowledge of SOAP web services and REST API. On course completion, you will be mastered in REST API, web services testing, and can implement successfully it in your workplace or will surely land on high-paying job. So what makes this course unique in the market? We assume that students have no experience in API testing and start every topic from scratch and basics. This course explains 1. What are the web services and APIs? 2. How to test the web services using SoapUI. 3. Manual testing of services and APIs using SoapUI tool. 4. Groovy scripting basics. 5. How to automate the web services test cases in SoapUI with Groovy. 6. SoapUI Pro features. 7. What is REST API? 8. Manual testing of REST APIs using SoapUI tool. 9. Automation of REST APIs using SoapUI Groovy and script assertions. 10. SoapUI framework development from scratch using TestNG, Jenkins, and Java API. 11. Database testing with SoapUI. 12. SoapUI integration with Eclipse. By the end of this course, you will understand the web services and API specifications and write all kind of effective manual and automation test cases, functional, database test cases, for services in SoapUI by using all the available features on tool. Who this course is for? This course is best suited for 1. Manual testers who want to learn web services testing. 2. Functional automation testers to extend their scripting on web services. 3. Penetration testers to understand security flaws. 4. Any graduate who wants to kick-start their career into testing. What will I learn? 1. You will learn how to test web services and REST API using SoapUI. 2. You will be able to develop robust automation scripts for all the API tests using SoapUI features. 3. You will learn a new language called Groovy to automate web services with SoapUI inbuilt methods. 4. You will be able to develop a robust automation framework for APIs test cases. 5. You will understand the importance and procedure of mocking the web services. 6. You will learn basic SQL concepts and procedures for database testing using SoapUI. 7. Will get a clear picture of security testing using SoapUI. 8. You will understand how to generate neat reports for execution results.